Now, staying with the same story, tomorrow night's 90-minute long debate will be hosted by ABC News in Philadelphia's National Constitution Center. Both the candidates will get 2 minutes to answer questions and 2 minutes rebuttal time. They'll also get an additional minute to each candidate for follow-ups or further clarifications. Now, the terms had been somewhat contentious after Trump suggested that he might actually back out after Harris's campaign sought to change the rule on muted microphones. So while some of the rules and formatting elements have been standard, others have been less typical. Here's a preview of the rules for the presidential debate tomorrow. First up, no live audience. Just like the June debate, the Trump-Harris event will not have a live audience in an attempt to minimize disruptions during the debate. This move marks a departure from the previous event, which have typically featured audience members who are instructed to remain quiet while the other candidates are speaking. Second up, muted microphones. Also, like the previous debate, microphones will be muted this time throughout the proceedings, except when it's the candidate's turn to speak. Now, this measure aims to curtail interruptions that might have marred previous debates. Third, no opening statement. Now, unlike debates in previous election cycles, this time there will be no opening statement. Instead, each candidate will deliver a 2-minute closing statement at the conclusion of the debate. Now, the debate will begin with moderators introducing the candidate, followed up by a question. And Harris and Trump will not be permitted to ask questions of each other. So now when we talk about the setup, both Harris and Trump will stand at identical podiums during the entire 90-minute long debate. A virtual coin flip administered by ABC News last week has determined the podium placement and the order of closing statement. Trump won the coin toss and decided to speak last during the closing statements, while Harris selected the right podium position on the screen. So each candidate will be provided with a pen, a notepad, and a bottle of water on the stage. However, no props or written notes will be permitted. So with so many rules and regulations, the toughest part of the night will be to create a moment that will actually sink into the public consciousness among US voters.